Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. The image I'm working on today is pretty typical in the sense that it comes from my everyday life. I was in the kitchen and light was coming in the window, it hit some glassware and created some fun textures and patterns on the counters. Figured, well, let's go to the studio and create a still life. So I have 3 different scallions and I have them sitting on different sheets of glass because when the light hits it, I wanted to have different highlights and reflections and just kind of some fun light movement. So for lighting, I have a single LED just off the set. It's going through 2 jars and a vase, and as I rotate those, the pattern of light changes on the set, and you can really create almost anything. Now I did want one of the scallions to stand out a little bit more as the hero, so I have a second LED with a projector front on it, which creates a nice beam of light, and it's just making one a little bit brighter. Now, the left side of the set is in shadow, and I wanted to fill that, so I added a 25 centimeter white reflector, adding just a little bit of fill light. To create some texture, I wanted to add a little highlight on one scallion. So with this small reflector, it just bounces a little extra light back in. We'll double check focus and see what we have.